Hi friends, welcome to Solar Mama's ABCs of Solar Energy, where we're exploring one letter at a time when it comes to solar power. I'm Solar Mama, and today we are focused on the letter J for juice, which is slang for the electricity solar generates to power your life. We'll explain how solar juices up your home, show what it can run, and share why it's so exciting. Ready? Let's get energized. Juice is a playful term for electricity, especially from renewables like solar. It's the clean energy flowing from your panels to your outlets, lighting up your home without fossil fuels. Solar juice is special. It's free from the sun, cuts your bills, and shrinks your carbon footprint. According to the EIA, in 2024, solar generated 303.2 terawatt hours in the US, powering millions of homes. Our customers love the feeling of making their own juice. One of our families in Nevada said it feels like their solar system is running on sunshine because it cut their bill by 70%. It's practical and empowering, kind of like growing your own food, but for energy. So what does solar juice power? A typical 5 kilowatt solar system can produce about 7,000 kilowatts per hour per year, and that's according to the NREL, and that's enough to power most homes. So that juices up a few things. So LED lights, which equates to 100 bulbs for about 5 hours daily. A refrigerator, which is running 24/7, that is less than 500 kilowatts for the year. A laptop, 10 hours every day for a year. And an electrical vehicle, so a little less than 2,000 miles of driving. Customers often share how their solar juice can literally run everything in their home, making life normal but greener. So how does solar juice flow? Your panels capture sunlight, inverters convert it to AC, like we talked about in the I for inverter episode, and the juice flows to your breaker box. If you're tied to the grid, so you're not doing an off-grid system, excess juice goes to the grid, therefore earning net metering credits. So if you are off-grid, it's stored in the batteries for later. One of our Colorado homeowners said it feels like their grid-tied system is kind of like a power plant on their roof, sending some juice to their neighbors on those sunny days. So what does juicing look like for small business owners that own their building? For example, at Solar Rose Coffee in Pueblo, Colorado, they are the inventors of the world's only commercial solar-powered coffee roaster. And their solar aroma roasting process makes their coffee one of the most flavorful in the world. They don't burn any fossil fuels in the roasting process. This creates better coffee and a healthier environment. With lower temperature roasts, it means smoother coffee without that harsh, bitter finish. Plus, they prevent 26,000 pounds of CO2 per year from being released into the environment. Why does solar juice matter? Solar juice cuts reliance on coal or gas, which produced 60% of US electricity in 2024, according to the EIA. So one 5 kilowatt system avoids 5 tons of CO2 per year. So that's like planting 250 trees. It also saves you money. You can save anywhere from $500 to $1,500, give or take, for most homes. It just really depends on how much electricity you are using and the size of your system as well. Plus, it's resilient. During 2024's 1,500 outages, those homes that had solar with batteries, it kept the juice flowing. Globally, solar juice powers progress. In Bangladesh, solar microgrids juice up 20 million homes, and that's according to the World Bank, but it's also boosting education and jobs. So there are some challenges with solar juice. You need enough panels for your needs. Undersized systems means less juice. And weather does matter, so on cloudy days, that's gonna cut your production, although net metering and batteries do help. Then you have maintenance, like cleaning your panels, is what's going to keep the juice flowing. Of course, as I mentioned in other videos, it's not too much maintenance that you need to partake in. Solar's share is growing. It's projected to hit 20% of US electricity by 2030, according to the SEIA. Innovations like perovskite cells would boost panel efficiency to 30%. And that's according to the NREL, just meaning more juice per roof. And community solar is expanding, letting renters tap into shared juice. In 2024, 1,745 megawatts of community solar was installed, and that's according to the SEIA. What would you power with solar juice? Maybe your AC or your EV, electric vehicle. Share it in the comments. So let's get a quick recap. Solar juice is clean energy that powers your life, saves money, and helps the planet. Hit that thumbs up if you're pumped and subscribe for K. Let's keep learning together. So that's J for juice. It's the clean energy that literally lights up your world. Do you have ideas for using solar power? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for joining Solar Mama's ABCs of Solar Energy. Subscribe and hit the bell for the next video, and we will see you on the next episode.